I'm Paul Briseno, the city manager for the city of Brookings, South Dakota. We decided to have daily or every other day updates to help the citizens of Brookings understand what we're doing on a daily basis with the COVID-19 response for the community of Brookings. The city and county have worked collaboratively together constantly day after day on the COVID-19 response. Together we decided yesterday to go ahead and close the doors to the city-county building starting effectively today at noon. This will go into effect until April 6th. And between now and then we'll reevaluate the situation and let the public know if we should open any time earlier. Beyond that, the city has chosen to close the library, the Swift Center, as well as the activity center, and then of course other activities and events throughout the park system and within the city. Additionally, we've also closed the police department to the public, but you can still enter the police department and utilize the pager system that they have within the front doors. This will give the public access to an officer where they can take a report or still communicate face-to-face via a door. A common question we get is truly what is going on throughout the city as far as city services. The public should understand that it's still business as usual when it comes to the sanitation department. We're still going to be collecting your trash as well as your recycling goods. Additionally, the fire department is fully staffed and will be responsive 24/7 as always, as will our police department and 911 dispatch service. Additionally, right now our parks department and street department will also be working. In fact, just about all of our employees are still currently working, providing services throughout this community and available to citizens via the telephone, internet, or other opportunities. One of the services we provide here in Brookings is the Municipal liquor store. We've decided to go ahead and close that facility as a city facility beginning today at 2 p.m. And once again, we will open that up April 6th. At this point in time, it will be shut down as it is a city-owned facility. So one of the common questions we get is how does the liquor store, the municipal liquor store, affect food establishments, grocery stores, or gas stations? It is actually completely separate. Those facilities, those businesses actually get product from vendors throughout the community or outside the community. It's completely separate and autonomous from our liquor store. Therefore, those facilities should be fully stocked with materials and products for our public. Within the city of Brookings, we've identified a number of opportunities to connect with our residents via telephone or electronically. It's been a long process that we've been working towards, and we decided to implement it a little earlier based on the situation at hand. And currently we now have what's called Engaged Brookings, and we strongly encourage all citizens to go out there, download the app via your device, and start utilizing it. That device, that app, actually has an opportunity where citizens can very simply submit their request via the app by as simple as taking a picture and submitting it, automatically routes it to the particular department and starts a file so that we can be more responsive to our citizens and to an extent be more proactive as well. There's also a little segment on there for people that have questions regarding the COVID-19 situation. Strongly encourage people to ask those questions on that app, and hopefully we can answer some of those questions within this segment in the future. Community members should never utilize the app or calling the regular telephone number for emergencies. In fact, we strongly encourage them to call 911 for any emergency that they should have. Once again, our police department, fire department, and dispatchers are always working 24/7. Greatly appreciate the hard work that our public safety folks provide for this community. So along with the Engage Brookings, we also have various other services available to our public. One of those such services is permitting. Any individual that's wanting a building permit can go online, request such a permit through our services, and then go and start that process. Our staff is working diligently to find as many opportunities as possible through technologies to still make business occur within our local economy. We've had a lot of questions regarding the renewal of license plates. What most people should understand is that process is actually done through the county, and the county has made some advanced changes and communicated that with not only the Sheriff's Department but also the Police Department to ensure people who do have expired tags weren't able to get in and get renewed will not be stopped or punished at this point in time. The state attorney has been working with the Police Department as well as the Sheriff's Department on this endeavor. Other questions that the city commonly gets is regarding the water, sewer, electrical service provided by Brookings Municipal Utilities. Brookings Municipal Utilities is an arm of the city of Brookings. but they are entirely autonomous, and anyone who should have any questions, strongly encourage you to contact them via email or telephone. At this point in time, there's a lot of people that are at home wondering what they can do within the community. People should understand, first and foremost, practice good hygiene habits, follow that social distancing, but beyond that, know that there are plenty of things to do outdoors. Go on a walk, spend some time with the family. Additionally, the city does have a lot of resources on the internet from our library, who has multiple online resources for any hobbies, activities, reading that anyone should want to do online. I strongly encourage people to engage the community of Brookings through our Engage Brookings app. There will be having notices. Once again, we strongly encourage citizens to participate by following the City of Brookings Facebook page as well as our website. Know that we're doing whatever we can to help keep our community safe, working hand in hand with our community partners, following our action plans that have been provided and in place for many years to assure that we're doing whatever we can for this community.